Hey, what's up guys? So today we're here at Ashland by Taylor Morrison. This is a beautiful single story community here in Summerlin. Now, if you're looking for a nice single story home with a 3-car garage option for a next gen suite that has a beautiful layout, well, don't go anywhere guys, because in this video, we are gonna be touring the Pioneer floor plan, so stay tuned. Hey, what's up guys? Welcome back to my channel. Now, if you guys are new to my channel, if this is your very first time tuning in, my name is Dale Abella with eXp Realty. I'm a local realtor here in Las Vegas. Now, what we do on my channel is we go over all the new construction communities here in Las Vegas. So if this is something you're interested in, if you're planning on moving, buying, or selling here in Las Vegas, do me a huge favor, guys. Hit the subscribe button, hit the like button, hit the notification button. That way you stay up to date with all the news communities here in Las Vegas. So today is March 27, 2025, and today we're here at Ashland by Taylor Morrison here in Summerlin. Now, if you guys are unfamiliar with Summerlin, Summerlin is about 25 to 30 minutes west of the Las Vegas airport and the Strip. It's a beautiful, beautiful master plan community, one of the most highly desired areas in all of Las Vegas. As far as like price per square feet, this is gonna be the highest here in Summerlin. Now, there's so much to do out here. You have hiking, there's Red Rock close by, you have Downtown Summerlin close by, you have so many different like shopping centers, retail stores, so it definitely endless things that you can do here. Now, this community specific is a all single story community out here. Now, I will have the floor plans on the screen for you guys. So they offer about 7 different floor plans here, okay? These are all single story homes. They're gonna be ranging from 2,450 square feet all the way up to 3,306 square feet, okay? So large single story homes, all 3-car garages. Now the base prices are gonna start at $1,124,900 all the way up to $1,524,900. When you look at the base price, right, just know that the lot premium and the upgrades are not included, okay? So if you want to factor in what your total cost would be, you would have to add the upgrades. So the upgrades on average buyers are usually putting about 15 to 20% of the base price in upgrades, okay? Now, as far as the lot premiums go, they vary here in this community, right? Because there's like 1 or 2 lots right now that are 0 lot premium, and then they'll have like their highest lot premium is $450,000, right? And that's gonna be more of like a guaranteed strip views. Actually, I have a little sheet that kind of will tell me some lots in lot premiums. So it looks like they have several like $30,000, $35,000 lot premiums for 40. Then they also have a couple of the $150,000 lot premiums. I see one here for 450, some that are 10, one that's 1. So just to give you an idea of how that works. Now, in this community as well, as far as the HOAs goes, the HOA is about $119 for Ashland, okay, that's the HOA. And then you're paying $60 a month for the Summerlin West. So that equals about $179 a month. They do have a SID assessment here. Now, I will have a video of, I have a short video where I explain SID and lids. And I'll pop it on the screen for you guys. But the SID here is, you're gonna make bi-yearly payments of $832, okay? Until the SID balance is paid. Now the balance is $21,407, okay? As far as like the average lot square feet, on average, you're looking at about like 7,200 to 11,000. So, you know, still a pool-sized backyard if that's what you're looking to do. And also too, if you're looking to get under contract, earnest money deposit, they will collect between $50,000 to $75,000 to get you into contract, okay? Oh, there's one more thing. This community has 92 homes here, and they sold, this community is moving pretty quickly because they sold about 25, close to 30 homes, and this community has 92 lots here. So, but yeah, that's about it. Let's get started with the tour. All right, welcome to the Pioneer floor plan. Now the Pioneer floor plan is 3,216 square feet. 3 to 4 bedrooms, 3.5 bath, 1 story, 3-car garage, and the base price is $1,470,900. Okay. Yes, what you're seeing here, the paver driveways is included, the desert landscaping is included. The only thing that's not included as far as landscaping will be the back. You have about 6 months to do that. Okay. So yeah, let's take a look, guys. Excited to show you this floor plan. So right here, you're gonna have this little courtyard area. You have a gate. Okay, all this will be paver. This does have a next gen suite option as well. So welcome in. Now, as soon as you walk in, you could see that you have like a flex space right here. Then you're gonna have a game room right here. Right here, you look at the ceilings. There's gonna be 12-foot ceilings, okay? And then in the rooms, you're gonna have 10-foot ceilings, all right? So kind of like in the living room area, the hallway, you'll have this 12-foot ceilings. Okay. Yes, look at this tile. Dig in the tile for sure, the nice large tiles. Hey guys, what you are seeing right here, this is a standard structural option right here. So you'll have a game room and then you'll have a bedroom over there. There's a couple of variations that you could have here, okay? If you don't want this game room, you can upgrade so that way you'll have 2 bedrooms. You'll have a bedroom and that will be a second bedroom. Or if you want your next gen suite is gonna have like your, little separate area, has its bedroom, a living room area, microwave and whatnot. There's gonna be this door right here, and then all this is gonna be the next gen suite, okay? Okay, so let's take a look. What's this door right here? Okay, so it looks like this is for your linens. Right, so we have your guest bedroom right here. Okay, pretty decent sized room. This is gonna be a queen size bed. Okay, all the rooms are gonna come included with that. That's a pre-wire to the ceiling fan, so that way you could hook up a ceiling fan and a light. If you want can lighting in your rooms, that is optional. Okay, so it looks like we do have a walk-in closet. So right here, you're gonna have your full bath. Okay, so you got your shower tub here, nice optional tile surround. All right, cool. Yeah, this is pretty neat. Nice little game room. Yeah, perfect for a pool table. That is going to be your powder room. Okay, so you got your toilet, your sink. All right, so a couple of structural upgrades you could do right here. As you can see, they did an upgrade so that this is a study room. So with the study room, as you can see, there's gonna be this wall right here, okay? So, great if you work remote from home and you wanna make this your office, you could definitely do that. Standard is, it's gonna be a flex space. So the flex space is kind of like as you see right here, but then this wall would be open as well, okay? So all you would have would be this post right here. Okay, you're gonna have your primary bedroom down there, guest bedroom over here. And look at the space, beautiful. Again, 12-foot ceilings, 10-foot ceilings. It feels very open in here. And look at this kitchen. Plenty of cabinets. Looks like they went with a stacked cabinets. Okay, that is all optional as well. A nice refrigerator. Okay. Yeah, I got the looks like they have the cafe, kitchen, appliance package. Now right here, this is an upgrade as well. This is the, I think it's called like the butler option here. So yeah, you could have this be an extended part of your kitchen, and then you'd have your pantry right here, okay? Now, if you wanted a larger pantry, you could have this whole room, that there would be a door right here, and this would just be one large pantry. So really just depends on what you're looking for. But I do like this though. This looks pretty nice. Okay. Cool. You got the beautiful backsplash. You got the lights right underneath the cabinet. It's really nice. Okay. So you got your dual sink here. Again, you can get this kitchen package. Otherwise, standard is, I think, like GE appliances. Also for the flooring as well. Your standard flooring would be 18 by 18 ceramic tile. It'd be all throughout the house except for the bedrooms. You're gonna have, you'll have carpets in the bedrooms. Okay. So you got a nice slider. 12-foot slider right here. This is definitely optional. Here, let's take a look. So you will have this covered patio, and underneath it you're gonna have the pavers. Everywhere else when you move in, it will be a dirt lot. HOA is gonna give you about 6 months for you to landscape your backyard, okay? All right, let's go inside. Now, if you guys are interested in new construction communities, and you're watching this video and you like the homes and you're thinking about visiting for your very first time, do me a huge favor, guys. Give me a call, shoot me a text. I would honored to go with you on your very first visit and help you out with the process. But if you're working with a realtor, that's okay too. Again, just make sure they go with you on your very first visit. Just don't go by yourself, guys, because the second you go by yourself, the builder agent's gonna ask you for your name, your phone number, and email. And once you give that to them, at that point, they won't let you have representation. You definitely want representation because the builder agents look after the builder's best interest, and we look after your best interest. So there's definitely a difference, okay? So right over here, we're gonna have your door to your garage. Looks like we have some cabinet space right here. So you got like a coat closet. So right here, you're gonna have your laundry room, which is nice because it connects to the your primary walk-in closet. Okay, so right here we do have a guest bedroom. Look at this. Nice walk-in shower here. Okay, got the tiles around. Cool. Here, you know what? We're gonna check out the primary bedroom, but we'll go this way. Okay, guys, welcome to the primary bedroom. Plenty of good space here. So looks like we do have the looks like we have his and her walk-in closet. So this is one closet right here. Again, it's the laundry room. Okay, we were just on that other side. Okay. Really nice. And then we have the larger walk-in closet. Ooh, nice. Look at this super shower. So you'll have your toilet room right here. your optional super shower. Cool, and you have your tub. It's beautiful. Okay, dual sinks. Upgraded countertop. I'm pretty sure 100% of the buyers are gonna upgrade the countertop, because it's I mean, there's like one option of quartz and then the granite. Pretty sure everyone's gonna go with nicer finishes. But yeah, guys, that wraps it up for the Pioneer floor plan. Let me know what you guys think in the comments below. And if you guys have any questions, or if you're looking for an agent to help you out with this new construction process and you prefer them to be very knowledgeable with new construction homes, guys, give me a call, shoot me a text. I have great relationships with a lot of the builder agents in town, which means we could possibly get you a better deal. But yeah, thank you so much for watching, and I will catch you guys on the next one.